The International Association of Buteyko Practitioners presents the classical Buteyko method. Professor Buteyko's method was the product of extraordinary technical investigations and discoveries which led to a drug-free and sophisticated approach to the treatment of many chronic diseases. It involves the application of techniques and skills that dramatically reverse symptoms and reliance on medications. Routinely, they have been shown to be effective in the most serious of chronic diseases, from severe brittle asthma, chronic fatigue, diabetes, and emphysema, through to multiple sclerosis, lupus, and even cancer. Professor Buteyko was forced to discourage the use of many of his most potent techniques in the West, as most practitioners could not wield them or manage the cleansing reactions which occur when deep-seated diseases are discharged. Other Buteyko techniques around diet, sleep, and physical exercise had to be left out too, despite their efficacy, because the required skills were not available to administer and monitor them. This gave rise to an easier, greatly simplified, but diluted Buteyko method, which has become popular in the West and is effective for superficial conditions such as mild asthma, blocked nose, and snoring, etc., but quite inadequate to address serious health problems or develop super endurance for athletes, etc. Professor Buteyko strenuously forbade insufficiently qualified practitioners from engaging the most potent of his techniques or attempting to treat patients with severe health conditions, unless they worked under the supervision of a qualified practitioner. Practitioners of Professor Buteyko's original method underwent years of supervised training with thousands of patients before being accredited. Only a handful of Western practitioners have received such qualifications. They should not be confused with practitioners who have done a teaching course over several weeks or months. All the important documented results, such as trials, etc., in Russia and the West, in which serious health conditions were reversed, invariably involved Professor Buteyko's original or classical techniques, most of which are no longer commonly taught. To ensure the best possible results, it is highly recommended that one trains under the supervision of a practitioner that has been credentialed by Professor Buteyko.